Hi, I'm Bonnie. For those of you new here, nice to meet you. My topics are cruise destinations, cruise excursions, extend your cruise ideas, and travel-related tips. Consider subscribing to follow me along on my trip and learn helpful tips to make your vacation that much better. What are some of the evening activities aboard the Celebrity Summit? We will explore the fun onboard activities during our week. Let's get started. First off, just know you won't be able to do everything. It really is determined on when you dine. Early seating people are able to see the game shows. The game shows generally start at 8. I had late night seating, so I wasn't able to see the game shows. I heard they were super fun, and some examples are Last Man Standing, True or False, Friendly Feud, Battle of the Genders, Liars Club. We did have parties, and the martini bar was always hopping. Oh my goodness. That's pretty crazy. Wow. Wow. Oh. Yay. Wow.
Ship moving, ship moving.
Lots of music, live music around the ship. The Cellarmaster Bar, the Rendezvous Lounge, the Mast Bar, the Sunset Bar.
I say to all of you, it's been a privilege and an absolute pleasure to be your cruise director. And I know I'm a Brit here on my own. I know there's not many of us on board the ship. But honestly, if I have to be away from my family, I'm truthfully me. I'm glad I'm here with all of you. So I'd like to thank you and say, God bless you.
And there was a dance party or some fun activity in the Sky Lounge or Martini Bar for about 1 to 2 hours after the show. And then usually the lounges were open until late, but people went to bed probably around 12. It's all about having fun and trying new things. Whether it's the white party, the chocolate bar, the fun and crazy time at the silent disco, ABBA Mania, the 80s party, Motown dance party. Can't really see, but we got a beautiful window view because we're at the restaurant Blu. It's a little bit rainy right now. It's beautiful. It's only for Aqua Flora guests. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you so much. I was glad to watch when Captain Matt gave out roses to the dancers because that was their first show they've ever done that they put together since COVID, and so that was a big deal that they actually got out there in a live show and were able to do what they love to do, and it just was exciting for me to see that. You could really tell how much everyone missed working on the cruise ship.
Captain Matt, everybody.
So everybody, very good evening. First of all, did you enjoy this amazing performance? For me to know that these people, they have managed in 3 weeks to have 4 shows actually up and running is amazing. And this amazing team is working here, is working in the gym, is working in the basketball court, wherever they find the corner, they go and they practice. So they deserve one more time a very big round of applause, please.
We saw a 9 o'clock show every night, and that included the crews, dancers, singers, a magician, a sax player, a female vocalist, and a boy band. I can hardly watch this. Of course, you can always go to the casino for that non-stop action. Another winner once again. The dancers were everywhere on the ship, and I can't say enough about their dedication. They really enjoyed it. We caught an ABBA trivia game at the Sky Lounge. Olivia, what are we doing? Motown dance. Okay. It's all about having fun here on the Celebrity Summit. It was a great time. Highly recommend it. For a small ship, it had a lot to offer. I'll be doing a food tour next, full ship tour coming up. So please stay tuned. Please make sure you subscribe and hit that notification button so you don't miss anything. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time.